We use this desk for a lot of work, such as studying, late night works, and much more. What was missing from this table was a desk lamp. It's the Micomlan transformable desk lamp. This is exactly what I wanted, that everybody should be able to use it in their own way. First, let's talk about the installation. It was so easy, I could do it in just 5 minutes. You can see how this lamp looks when it's adjusted on my table. I also got a power adapter along with this light. This light comes with 7 adjustable joints which make it handy for moving it in different direction. You can increase the height of the light, you can adjust the light panel, as well as you can extend the stand or bring it down as per your need. Interestingly, the side panels can be folded up and down very conveniently. And at times, if you have light requirement surrounding your table, you can adjust it in different way. The 3 LED panels are separately made, so you can bend them without any worry of harming this light while you are doing this. You can see I'm moving this time and again to show you how flexible the joints are. In the same time, these are not very loose that it will come down automatically by itself. It also rotates from left and right direction from the front panel. With this control panel, you can control the light. The best part is you can use the middle light and the side light separately. This desk lamp provides a wide range of brightness adjustment, including multiple color setting across a white and yellow spectrum. You can click the touch panel to adjust the 5 levels of brightness and color temperature. The smart memory function also helps you restore the last setting for the lamp. So enjoy a flicker-free and anti-glare table lamp for your desk.